These are the hottest news today. President Biden embarks on crucial visit to India for G20 summit. President Joe Biden is set to embark on a significant diplomatic journey as he heads to India to participate